Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping assets. Open Alight Motion, confirm storage access, and import your video and overlays. Once done, create a composition with the resolution you want and a 30 FPS timeline so motion data aligns. This avoids jitter later. Drag clips into the timeline in sequence and trim rough in and out points. Make sure to name layers logically. That way, when you add effects, it's faster to target the correct layer rather than guessing among dozens. Now you add the only way effect stack. Select a clip, open effects, and add motion blur, transform, and color correction in that order so blur respects transforms. Once added, keyframe scale and position, use ease in and ease out to smooth acceleration. Link multiple layers to a control or null object to drive synchronized movement. Then fine-tune motion blur between 0, 5, and 1. 5 for realism. If colors shift, adjust color grading last to preserve exposure and contrast relationships. Finish by previewing and exporting properly. Render a 720p preview to confirm timing and artifacts before full export. When satisfied, export H. 264 with a fixed frame rate and an 812 Mbps bitrate for clean motion. If playback stutters or jitter appears, clear the app cache and reduce heavy effects, or pre-render complex segments as single clips. That resolves processing overload. One troubleshooting tip. If colors shift after export, check export gamma and reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.